Hi everyone, Vladimir here from nowtec.solutions. So last time I've been exploring private LLMs for nowwiki, the product that we are currently developing. And last time we looked at two options, privateGPT and DBGPT. These two technologies serve slightly different purpose. However, they still serve the goal of creating a private large language model, which is basically AI on premises. AI that doesn't go to outer world and share your data, and it gives you Gen AI capabilities in a way that the data that you're using or the data that you use to fine tune your model or the way you even the private data that you make use of doesn't leave the perimeter. And at the first glance, it doesn't seem as a big deal. However, it is. And since the last time, which was a month ago, we continued the research, taking a closer look at open source capabilities, at open source offerings, and taking another look at private GPT. And we came to a conclusion that the best way to make use to leverage open source is to use Ollama models. Ollama is a framework to run open source models. It's a standard that can also feature OpenAI API, so in some way it's compatible with it, and it has a lot of models. So it's a technology that allows you to download a model, run it as a server, and make instant use of it. But that's not all, of course. So the Ollama has a lot of open source models. Again, open source models are models that were trained on the not privately like but as a general open source project and respective availability. And it has a long list of models. One of the most notable one is Ollama. It even features the latest one, 405 billion parameters. So it's a really huge model that can use and get state-of-art capabilities. And there are like other ones like Mistral Nemo, Mistral Large, Mixtral, Phi 3. I specifically enjoyed this one because it's a small one and it comes with mini and medium capabilities and is still powerful. I will show you in a second. By the way, I think it's open source. Yes, it's by Microsoft, but it's open source and it's capable of running on lighter and smaller devices like mobile. That's also a worthy case to explore. Then it has Mistral and basically a lot of models to do generative augmentation, and then it also has a dolphin, a small dolphin, a tiny dolphin, and the dolphin llama. It's uncensored LLM. It has many more. And yeah, but this is just model. We've been looking for a way to spin them up and make instantly of them, and we were pretty sure that there is something out there, and actually there is. It's called Open Web UI. Yeah, it's a very generic name, but it's a service that we established on our own, and well, not established, but we ran on our own. And again, by the first, we spent a couple of days with it, and it seems to have capabilities not worse at any other commercial offering, and that's good news. So we have again the UI, a very familiar UI that you might be familiar with from OpenAI or from other LLMs. And at this point, I downloaded two models. tinydolphin, again, it's an uncensored LLM. I was just wondering what you can squeeze out of it, and it seems you can squeeze quite a lot out of it. Maybe that's a topic for a different video. And then there is Phi Mini. It's again this tiny model that I mentioned before. And again, it's features the same UI and it gives you a prompt, but it's not all. There are many capabilities. If you go to the settings, you can, of course, you can download other models. It has a lot of chat capabilities. It has API to use in your applications. And then it even has audio. Haven't checked it, to be honest. Then there is admin settings. In admin settings, you have quite many. You can select default models. You can establish connect. You can even like integrate OpenAI, given the keys, and the Ollama API. Ollama, that's the technology that's used to run these open source LLMs. It's also available via API, and that's really great because it can be used out of box. Then we have again like some models that you can download. So for example, you can type in a model name from Ollama. Here I would prefer say I don't know, Mixtral. Mixtral, it's a good one. Okay, can't find one, but we can find say Phi3 medium. Medium. Okay, didn't find. Phi3 medium. Ah, okay, it's getting downloaded, then it appears in a list, and then you can say you can parameterize the model. Then another capability is that you can use web search, and I'm using DuckDuckGo, but you can make use of other search engines. And again, it gives you online capabilities, and it really boosts. Again, it's maybe also a topic for a different conversation, but this web search really boosts your LLM. And again, you can use Brave API, Search API, given you have a key, and DuckDuckGo is free. Okay, so I just downloaded Mixtral. I just not gonna use it right away, but it's good to have it. And then another big deal here is that you can embed documents. It uses mini LM L6 Service Transformer. These capabilities are used for fine-tuning your models, and you need a model to fine-tune your model to create a embeddings. Basically, for it to be able to learn from your data, you need um, quite many, quite many, quite a powerful engine. And then in this way, it can embed certain things. It can train your model to be able to use the data. And this is a thing to be used with the ChromaDB, also used this model. So again, OpenWeb UI with LLM gives you these capabilities to fine-tune the model. And then you can even say use template to do this. And yeah, and then it can learn from it. And you can upload your own vector storage or download vector storage. And then again, we just talked about web search. With images, I haven't checked these capabilities, but it's there. And the database, it's again, you can import your chat. And yeah, that's pretty all. So quite many capabilities again. And then if you go to workplace, you can again load your documents just like I showed to be able to fine-tune the model. And this piece, okay, haven't checked it, but let's look at it together. Okay, no luck now. So, okay, that's the snippet and thing that you and wrappers that you can use from OpenWeb UI community. It looks like a like a a bit like App Store, and Next.js 14 is a model probably to fine-tune your code writing for Next.js. Well, anyway, so you can also store the prompts. Okay, you can import them, but you can also import prompts, create your own prompts, and many more. And say even it even code it gives you it has pretty advanced coding capabilities, and it has quite advanced debug capabilities. Yeah, it's a bit slow, maybe not as developed, but it's still worth it. I mean, you still can use it productively. And for example, just like before recording this video, I tasked to write a script for this video, and well, it did quite a good job, even like over the roles and prompts. So yeah, that's it for the private LLM. We are targeting to use it in products like NowWiki and any other customers installation. Because we've noticed that a lot of organizations are asking out for a private AI. I mean, people don't want the data to leave the perimeter. And I think again, here open source comes at hand again. And I haven't checked all of the models, but from what I've seen around, some of the models are even slightly better than the commercial offering from other LLMs. And that's a great news. Of course, it's good to live in 2024 to make use of this amazing technology. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for the attention. Let me know if you want to sign up for this. I can send you an invite, and you can explore the model yourself and play around with it and also leave feedback. So you just comment it out, and we'll send you an invite. Thank you. See you. Bye.